What do you got now, Diana?
He's all done.
So we were able to snap the pieces in. Thing's huge. You know? Stand up and hold it up high like you caught a fish, like the fishermen do. They hold it here. They hold it up to their face by the tail. Go over there.
Like this?
Yeah, stand over there by your robot so we can get a distance. What did you catch there, Diana?
A Mosasaurus.
Hang it down by its tail, like they do in the shark in Universal Studios.
It's a baby Mosasaurus.
Hold it down.
Like this?
Yeah, like they do the shark in the movie The Jaws in the Universal Studios. Open its mouth. Come closer. Wow. That's a long, big fish.
Oh, it has nose nostrils. Right here.
Nostrils.
And we have a smaller one.
Let it bite someone.
A smaller one.
Let it bite a...
We got a smaller one over here.
I guess it's scale. You know what you need to do?
What?
Get the
Indominus
Rex. Have him bite him into the ocean. Into the pool.
Indominus Rex.
Maybe that's too big. Get the smaller one, you think? Bring it back into the ocean, into the water.
I want to see how big his mouth opens.
There's a hot dog bird.
Look how it just floats around in his mouth.
That hot dog bun. Ouch.
Now what else should we feed him? Let's feed him.
Shark?
We don't got a shark anymore. This.
Get my hot dog. Put the bun on it. Delicious hot dogs. Feed him some dinosaurs. A little bit shy. Give him a hand when he comes out of the water. Or she's a little bit shy. Hot dog.
Water.
All right, put it back in the box so we can give it back to the store.
No! You always say that in every unboxing video.
So it can't swallow anything?
It can't swallow anything.
Can't stick things down its throat?
But the good thing, it's not sharp when you squeeze it.
Or step on it, it doesn't cut you.
Yeah, look at this.
It's got some give.
Like, for example, let me step on.
Oh, can the fins move? Can they turn?
Now, next step.
Now, turn on the remote control so we can swim.
You cannot do remote control.
The belly of the fish.
It's like he's roar. Who wants a jump scare? Roar.